Dreaming of Europe? Forget the UK and Germany. Finland is the new hotspot for Indian nurses, caregivers, and skilled professionals. High salaries, free healthcare, world-class education, and a safe, family-friendly environment await you. With a Schengen visa, you can travel across Europe, and Finland offers a clear, fair path to permanent residency. Ready to build a secure, happy future for your family? Let's see how you can start your journey to Finland. Excited for Finland? The idea of starting a new life in a country known for its stunning landscapes, world-class education, and high quality of life is truly thrilling. But before you can enjoy the northern lights or sip coffee in a cozy Helsinki cafe, you need to get your paperwork right. Here's the truth. There's no direct PR from India. Many people think you can just apply for permanent residency straight away, but that's not how it works in Finland. You have to follow a step-by-step process, and it all starts with the right visa. You must start with the right visa. This is your entry ticket to Finland, and choosing the correct one is crucial for your future plans. The type of visa you apply for depends on your purpose: work, study, or something else. Nurses and skilled workers need a job offer to apply for a work-based residence permit. This means you must secure employment before you even begin your application. Your employer in Finland will play a key role in supporting your permit process. Students, on the other hand, need an official admission letter from a Finnish university. This is your golden ticket to apply for a student residence permit, which can later open doors to work opportunities and eventually permanent residency. Your ultimate goal is the A permit, the golden ticket that starts your PR countdown. The A permit is a continuous residence permit, and every year you hold it brings you closer to permanent residency in Finland. Avoid the B permit. It doesn't count toward PR. The B permit is only temporary and won't help you build your future in Finland, so make sure you're applying for the right type from the start. The application process is straightforward. Apply online through the Finnish Immigration Service, also known as Migri. Their website has all the information and forms you need, and you can track your application status online. After submitting your application, you'll need to visit VFS Global in India to provide your biometrics, fingerprints, and a photo. This step is mandatory and helps verify your identity for Finnish authorities. No need for expensive agents. The process is clear and official. All the steps are transparent, and you can do everything yourself if you follow the guidelines carefully. Take the first step carefully. Your Finnish dream starts here. With the right visa and a little preparation, you'll be on your way to building a new life in Finland, one step at a time. Just landed in Finland with your A permit? Congratulations. This is the first step in your journey to making Finland your long-term home. The A permit allows you to live, work, and experience life in this beautiful Nordic country. But if you're thinking about settling here for good, you'll want to aim for the P permit, Finland's permanent residency. To qualify, you need to live and work in Finland continuously for 4 years. That means building your life here, finding a job, making friends, and becoming part of the community. There are no shortcuts, so embrace the Finnish way of life and enjoy every season, from snowy winters to the midnight sun of summer. During these 4 years, make sure you don't stay outside Finland for more than 6 months at a time. Always renew your A permit before it expires and keep your documents up to date. Missing these steps could set you back, so stay organized and plan ahead. After you've completed 4 years of continuous residence, you can apply online for the P permit. The application process is straightforward, but you'll need to gather all the necessary documents and fill out the forms carefully. You'll need to show proof of stable income, such as an employment contract or payslips, and demonstrate that you've been supporting yourself during your stay. A clean criminal record is also essential, as Finland values safety and trust in its communities. In addition, you must have basic Finnish or Swedish language skills. Taking language classes or practicing with friends will help you pass the required language test and make daily life easier. With a P permit, you gain almost all the rights of a Finnish citizen, including access to social benefits and the ability to bring your family to join you in Finland. It's a big step toward building a secure and happy future here. And if you continue living in Finland for just 1 more year after getting your P permit, you'll be eligible to apply for Finnish citizenship, opening even more doors for you and your loved ones. So remember, 4 years of patience, dedication, and embracing Finnish life can lead to a lifetime of opportunity and belonging in your new home. Beware of agents promising direct or guaranteed PR for huge fees. These are scams. No one can bypass Finland's official process job offer. A permit, 4 years residence, then PR. Always use the official Enter Finland portal and VFS Global for applications and biometrics. The real fees are just a few €100, not lakhs of rupees. Don't pay middlemen for something you can do yourself. Protect your money and your dream. Trust only the official process. Your future is too valuable to risk on fraud. Are you eager to apply for healthcare jobs in Finland, but feeling overwhelmed by the process or unsure where to begin? GlobalHealthJobs.ai is here to make your journey simple, transparent, and stress-free. Whether you're a nurse, doctor, or allied health professional, this platform is designed specifically for Indian healthcare workers who want to take the next step in their international careers. GlobalHealthJobs.ai connects you directly with reputable Finnish employers, eliminating the need for middlemen, agents, or expensive commissions. You can trust that every job listed is verified and legitimate, giving you peace of mind as you plan your move abroad. Take advantage of the platform's advanced AI-powered CV builder, which helps you create a professional, tailored resume in minutes. Plus, access interview preparation tools designed to boost your confidence and help you shine during your interviews. You'll also find comprehensive document checklists and step-by-step guides, ensuring you never miss an important detail and your application stands out from the crowd. For a limited time, take advantage of our special launch offer. All these powerful tools are available for a small one-time fee. There are absolutely no hidden costs or surprise charges, so you can focus on your career, not your budget. With just a few clicks, you can apply to hundreds of verified healthcare jobs across Finland, all from the comfort of your home. The process is safe, affordable, and designed to put you in control of your future. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Take charge and create your own path. Visit GlobalHealthJobs.ai, sign up in minutes, and unlock a world of possibilities for your career and your life. Imagine yourself starting a new chapter, building a rewarding career, and experiencing life in Finland. Your journey to a brighter future begins with a single step. The time for action is now. Finland is waiting for you. Take the leap and let GlobalHealthJobs.ai guide you every step of the way.